This platinum-grey Lenovo Ideapad 330 comes with DOS, so you have the flexibility to choose your operating system. Powered by the Intel Core i5-8250U processor, the laptop allows you to browse and work efficiently. This notebook features an 8GB DDR4 memory with AMD Radeon 530 2GB graphics card that enables you to perform graphics editing and multitask with ease. The laptop has a 2TB storage that allows you to store all your photos and videos in one place. The lithium-ion battery which powers this laptop has a 35 watt-hours capacity and average battery life of up to 5 hours on single charge. The 15.6-inch HD screen provides a good viewing experience on a large screen suitable for watching movies and videos. The anti-glare display helps you use the laptop with ease in both indoor and outdoor settings. The Dolby-certified dual speakers reduce distortion to offer better sound quality. The laptop's flexible hinge allows you to use it at a convenient angle up to 180 degrees without any damage to the screen. The bottom of the notebook has a protective rubber detailing for ventilation, and the body has a protective finish that guards against regular wear and tear. Along with other connectivity options, this laptop has a USB Type-C port, which allows up to 2 times faster data transfer than previous technology. The laptop comes with an adapter and manual included in the box. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit cards, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.